I'm videotaping a whole bunch of different kinds of science experiments today that you guys could do at home to get that pop, boom, fizz that you want on the 4th of July. Right now, we're gonna do the C is for chemistry, right? So we're gonna mix two things into one thing, and we're gonna get a chemical reaction. That is chemistry, right? Pop rocks, see pop rocks? And we're gonna take nerds, and we're gonna get a funnel. Uh-oh. I always make a mess every single time. We're gonna get a funnel and we're gonna put them in this balloon. All right, take some Pop Rocks. Wait, first rule, right? We gotta taste it. Did you guys hear that? Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait, I'm gonna go close so you guys can hear that. Hold on. I'm so happy with this. Okay, you wanna hear the sound of science? Ready? Those are really gross. I'm doing it. Ah! All right. Woo! That's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna pour all those in there. All of those go in there. Okay, there it is. We have Pop Rocks and nerds inside of there. Okay. All right. So now our sodas. Open one. Take your balloon, put it over, make sure that it goes over this bottom edge. I've made this mistake before. It's not pretty. It's not a good situation.
Hey, what's going on? Uh-oh, I'm scared that this one's gonna totally explode on me.
A little bit of pop. Boom. Whoa. Oh no! Wait, I got it. Oh, it's not supposed to do that. Holy majoli, I know you guys are happy this is live. Hold on. I knew it! That balloon is no good. Science. This is exactly actual science. It's never perfect. It's never ever, wow. Holy mess a lot. Man, now I'm not gonna have this nice little tablecloth for my next experiment. Okay, so check that out. That's going pretty good. I knew that when I heard that sound, I was like, this one is not going to do well. Let's see about this one. You guys hear that? Listen. That's the sound of... Are you good? Are you good by yourself? Okay, cool. There it is, guys. That's chemistry. Mistakes and all. I'm not... What's up? All right, guys. I'll see you just in a little bit. Stay curious and stay safe and keep on